Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix project not found on Lovable AI. So, if you're having some problems here with your account here for Lovable AI and some projects are not appearing, or it's generally speaking here just says project not found, well, there are a few things here that you may want to try. So first is first is you may want to check the current session that you're currently running for your Lovable account. So, or your, in this case, for your browser. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just access your account first in here. You want to go to the top right, and you want to make sure that you are currently logged into the correct account. So maybe like you've logged in into the incorrect account itself. So maybe try logging out in here. Click on sign out and try accessing your other Google account or whatever account that you have connected to your Lovable account here. Sometimes you may have just logged into the incorrect account, so that's why it's not appearing or you're getting that issue. So in this case, go ahead and try your other accounts if you do have them. But if you don't have any other accounts, you only have one account, well, I would suggest you to try signing out from your account here and try signing in again. Sometimes the website itself may not be getting the correct version of the status of your account here. So signing out from your account and signing in again should solve most of the problems that you're encountering right now. Also, just to test this out, I would recommend you to open up an incognito window here. So, by the way, I'm using Google Chrome, so you may want to click on New Incognito Window here and just go to Lovable AI, try logging in via this way. Now, why are we doing this? So, to be speaking, if you go incognito here, this actually strips or remove any plugins or anything that is added into your browser and just use it as is. So, try logging into Lovable AI, logging into your account, and see if you can now see your projects. Now, if you can do or you can actually see your projects, I would recommend you to maybe like disable any of the extensions that you've recently installed, uninstall them or disable them for now. And you may want to also clear your browse. So typically at the top right, you should see the delete browsing data option here, and just choose at least like 4 weeks or more if you can. And make sure that you include browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cache image and files here. Click on delete data, wait for a bit here, and you should be good. That's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.